Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to Quarter Studio. Welcome back. Actually, hope you guys are having a very wonderful day and a very wonderful time, guys. So today we are going to be doing a reaction video to like a new band known as Seagulls, guys. Steven Seagulls. So the Steven Seagulls actually is a Finnish country band playing bluegrass versions of well-known hard rock and metal song, guys. The band actually became famous in 2014 when they actually started uploading the covers of their songs on YouTube. And today someone actually asked us to react to a particular song by them known as Thunderstruck, guys. Thunderstruck. This is the first time which I'm getting to know about this particular Finnish band. And I'm very happy about it because we are we are going like into the Finnish culture right now. We are going to listen to something new from a Finnish band, and I'm sure it's really going to be so amazing because I've gotten a lot of hype or a lot of positive remark from this particular band. So if you actually love what we are doing and you actually love this particular video, please do subscribe to our channel, do like our video, share the video with your friends and loved one, subscribe, guys. Let's start this particular video right now. Let's see exactly what Steven Seagulls has for us today live, composing Thunderstruck. So let's wait for it, guys. It seems like it's actually being performed in an open space because you can actually see someone like coming with like a small machine. Is he one of the players? Okay. So they use it seems like they use the common instrument they have actually to produce good music. Let's wait for it. Can you see the guy using the spoon, guys? He uses the spoon to make a beat, man. I'm enjoying this. In the middle of a railroad track, looked around, and I knew there was no turning back. Oh! My grace, and I thought, what could I do? Let's first of all listen, guys, before we stick at the end, guys. No help from you. Sound of the drums beating my heart. The thunder of guns. Guys, the sound of the banjo is really so awesome, guys, and the guy making the beat with the spoon is really wonderful, man. It's epic. Thunderstruck. Shaking at the knees. Could I come again, please? Yeah, the ladies were too kind. Cupid, Thunderstruck, 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 Thunderstruck. I was shaking at the knees. Could I come again, please? Hey, hey! Guys, that was so wonderful, guys. That was really so amazing. This is the first time which I'm seeing a particular band using spoons and using some other metal, like hitting them just to produce beautiful sounds, guys. And those particular
Mājās.
sounds
Alberta
sounded as
Koledžā
if it was like the the
labākā
electric
online
guitar.
platforma studijām.
So guys, this was really something was so wonderful. Actually, we
Visas
actually enjoyed
lekcijas
this
tiešraidē
particular
vai
video.
studē.
I'm sorry about this. Just a minute. So thank you very much for watching. Like I actually said, guys, sorry actually about the advertisement that came up. So like I said, this was really so amazing. We
Pašā
actually
Rīgas centrā
enjoyed
viegli
ourselves
nokļūt,
watching this
patīkami
particular
studēt.
video,
Iztai
guys. Like producing sound using the other the different instrument is something which isn't really easy to do. I think this particular version of the songs, like you see the way they look very simple, like very easy going and everything. But I actually believe that these particular people should be a bit like they should be very good in their craft. But the way they dress is so simple, producing good music using whatever instrument which you found around there. You don't need actually the expensive instrument to produce good music. So I actually fell in love with this with the guy who was using the spoon. That was very epic. I fell in love directly from that particular end. I actually hope you guys love what you actually see. In case you actually enjoyed and you loved it, please do subscribe, do like the video, share the video with your friends, your loved ones, and everyone around you guys. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you and see you soon. Thank you very much.